Hello students. So students, yesterday in the previous lecture I have explained you about the colligative properties, the two properties I have explained. So based upon relative lowering in vapor pressure, I have given you some questions and you are able to do. So I think there is no doubt there. But based upon this topic, the elevation in boiling point, I would like to show one numerical. I have written over here the question and I'll show how to do it, because in on based upon these topics, these four topics, whatever I am going to teach, only the definition, the unit and the this numerical comes, never the derivation they have asked. Okay, so numerical how to do is somewhat tricky, but if you know the concept and if you see how I am doing approaching the question whatever is given, because sometimes there is a confusion based upon these questions. Okay, sometimes you think it is TB not, but TB is given like that. Some confusions are there. So this is a simple question. Then also if you learn how to do it here, you can approach some difficult questions also. So you just see what is the question given. The 18 gram of glucose is dissolved in 1 kg of water in a saucepan. At what temperature will water boil under 1.013 bar pressure? So what is given? Given Kb for water is 0.52 Kelvin kg per mole. Okay, so from here you can do the unit Kelvin kg per mole, because I have given you two homeworks to write the definition of Kb and to write the unit of Kb. So if you have done, you show me. If you have not done, you can write from here unit. Sometimes they ask you in 1 mark what is the unit of Kb. Okay, so here you see given I have written. So you just see, since from reading the question only you will come to know that they are asking about, the question is based upon the elevation in boiling point. Obviously if you practice you can come to know. Now since they are telling that glucose is added in water, that means glucose will be the solute and water will be the solvent. Obvious, right? And generally they will give you water only. Okay, now 18 gram of glucose, that means the amount of solute is given, and that we will represent by W. And since it is for solute, we will write suffix. So WB is 18 gram. Now similarly, we have to find out the molar mass of the solute. So molar mass of glucose is, you can calculate, it will come out to be 180 gram per mole. So I have written capital M suffix B equal to 180 gram per mole. Okay, in different books different notations will be given. Somewhere no W will be written, some different thing will be written. No problem. If your focus, if you are doing from the book, you do that only. Otherwise if you are following me, so you write like this whatever I've written, because if you follow both you will end up nothing, you will get confused. Only one you will follow. Now what is the solvent? Solvent is given 1 kg, so we will write WA equal to 1 kg, and Kb is given 0.52 Kelvin kg per mole. So whatever is given we'll write neatly like this. Okay, and then we will see what we have to find. So you just read the question. They are telling at what temperature. Okay, that means they are asking temperature T. It is obvious, but you know, as in elevation in boiling point, we have two things. One is what? One is TB, and one is TB naught. We know these two things are there, because you see the expression, it is delta TB equal to KB into M. And what is delta TB? It is nothing but TB minus TB naught, right? So now how to know they are asking TB or they are asking TB naught? Because they are telling at what temperature water will boil. So remember, because they are telling that after adding the solute at what temperature water will boil, that means they are asking the boiling point temperature of the solution and not the solute. Okay, so already I have said you that boiling point temperature of the solution is represented by TB. Okay, so that means in the question they are asking TB. So that means TB they are asking. So what is TB naught then? So TB naught is what? TB naught is the boiling point temperature of pure water. Okay, pure water, boiling point of the solvent. Okay, pure solvent, so it is water. So you know at normal temperature and pressure what is the boiling point temperature of water? It is 100 degrees Celsius. So you have to convert it into Kelvin, so it will come out to be 373 Kelvin. So these are given in your question, sometimes not. So you should know how to find out TB naught, right? And generally they give you water, so it will be fixed. Now you will find out the applying the formula of molality and whatever is given, you will find out the molality of the solution. So the molality of the solution you will find out small m, okay, by putting the values 18 by 180 whatever is given. It is very easy, you've done. So you will find out small m equal to 1 by 10. Okay, so once you find out small m and you know what is TB naught, so you will put the values. So you will put the values. You will put the values here. Okay, delta TB equal to KB into M. So what is delta TB? Delta TB you will break TB minus TB naught. Okay, and what is KB? KB is 0.052 Kelvin kg per mole. What is M? M is 1 by 10. So I have written over here. So what will be these? Multiply. You will get 0.052. Yes or no? So I have written over here 0.052. And this is TB minus TB naught. How it come? From delta TB, because delta TB is TB minus TB naught. All these things should be memorized, then only you can approach. Now what is TB naught? You put the value like this 373, this is there. Now you can easily find out TB, okay, by adding 373 and 0.052, right? So you will get your final answer to be 373.052 Kelvin, which is TB. And TB is nothing but the boiling point temperature of the solution, right? Like this, you have seen that I have done this question very easily, right? So like this only you have to also do these types of questions, right? And it is not necessary that they will give you this question only. You have to practice many more questions. You will take questions from your question paper, from your book. You will do it. If you get any type of doubt, because there will be doubt, I know you are not asking, you ask me and clear your doubts, because one numerical from this part is fixed. Okay, from these four: relative lowering, elevation, boiling point, depression in freezing point, osmotic pressure. From these four I will teach the two later. One numerical is fixed. Okay, so I'll end with this topic here. Thank you so much.